Are you looking to invest in more than just a home? Welcome to our newest listing in the heart of Fleetwood, a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house that offers the perfect balance of comfort, community, and future growth. I'm Jim Pham, and let's go for a tour. Recently rezoned for the new SkyTrain, this property is primed for growth. With the potential to build 2 dwelling units and easy laneway access, it's a rare opportunity for a family or investor looking to add value. This meticulously maintained home was designed for a growing family with bright open spaces and a detached 3-car garage. This home was tastefully renovated with an updated kitchen and flooring throughout. Only minutes from the new SkyTrain station and Highway 1, the location couldn't be better for convenience. Plus, you're within reach of Fleetwood's highly rated schools, abundant green spaces, and community hubs like the Surrey Sports Complex and Fleetwood Community Center. Make a choice and combine the best of both worlds. An ideal family home with remarkable investment potential in one of Surrey's sought-after neighborhood. Call today to book your private viewing and make this the first step to your new home.